guys, what's up again with me? So today, this is for apology video. I'm not in there, so I'm really sorry. Before we go on, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. After that, comment my video. Is it great or not? So, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss the news when I upload. So yeah, this is the video. So this is the video that I will make, and it's called soul food cooking. And this is for last time. I'm really sorry that I not in this video. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna make this video want to make a chili pepper. So, and this is all the ingredients, and what you can pause it when you need. And that is the ingredients. There's still a lot though. And this is the first one, and the second one is this. So yeah, let's start. Okay, this is the step one is get the fry pan and add the ground beef. After that, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And you will like that thing, and add the what is it called? Season with 1 salt and 1 of black pepper. And that is the result when you mix it. And step 2 is allow them for 6 minutes. You will drain off the fat and set aside for later. Now step 3 is in other pan add the olive oil, celery, onion, bread, and the bell peppers and jalapenos pepper, and salt for 5 minutes. And basically look like that. Oh yeah, by the way, if you don't want to like very hot, you can not by adding that, so it will make hotter. Yeah, and then add the ground beef that already brown to fry pan, and diced tomato. Add diced tomato paste, and beef broth, and mix it well. And add oil, I think, or water. I'm really sorry that I really don't know what the cooking in this pot. So yeah, you mix it, and after that you will see the look like that and boiling. And add the onion, pepper, and then the last thing is I don't know what is it, I don't know what that mean. And pepper, yeah, that's it. And you will mix it, and you will mix until look like that. And add the last is candy beans and chili beans. Mix it and cover. Allow the chili to cook on the low heat for 2 hours, stirring occasionally. And you will mix it, and then you put the that thing. I really don't know what they're called, the stuff. And after that you have your chili, and after 2 hours you have a chili that what and your chili ready to serve. Yeah, basically I'm sorry that that's it, and goodbye. Bye guys.